Alright guys, here is the final project course. We are starting on the floor. We are going to come up and go through obstacle number 1. Once we pass through obstacle number 1, we will have to turn hard left and go through obstacle number 2. After we get through obstacle 2, we are going to perform an inspection in the inspection zone 1, where we will get a close-up view, a zoomed out view, come back into the inspection zone. We will turn around and go over onto the landing pad, where we will come down and land and drop off supplies for the people waiting. We will take back off and do 2 full rotations to survey the area, where we will then come back over and through obstacle number 1 all the way back to the landing zone. And that will be our course.